greetings, family.
Yeah, I'm kind of, I don't get lost for words, but right now I'm a little bit lost for words. Okay. Oh, hallelujah. All you that brought hot sauce going to get double blessings.
All right.
All right, fantastic. Woo. Well, I just want to say that I am really, really happy that this came off the way it did. The numbers, this is the largest number that we've had to date.
Since 08.
Since 08. This is our,
in 07.
in 07. This is our 10th anniversary for Bomani and I. So we're here to
We met
celebrate
here 10 years ago.
10 years.
Right there.
Okay, so this is our 10th anniversary. This is the 20th anniversary for One Africa. And this is my 75th solar return.
Wow.
So what we're going to do is that I'm asking everyone to have a seat. We're going to have just a brief introduction of such orientation. The group will continue to entertain you, and then we'll break up and people will go to their respective accommodations. I want to say a special thank you to Miss Dawn here from Philly. Very, very persistent sister. Wasn't coming. Said, come here.
It was a magical story, and then you called me.
Yeah, you know, she wasn't coming. She said, oh, I see your YouTube, and I want to come, and then I can't come, and now can I come on my own? I said, why don't you come with Bomani? She said, well, I was coming, but they're already booked up. I said, we ain't never too full to take more people that want to come to Africa.
The more the better.
The more the better. So, thank you for being so persistent. Okay? And I thank all of you.
And we made sure that out of the tight schedule of One Africa, we made sure we found a space for you. I don't know how we pulled it off. We got you here.
Exactly.
We're booked up for the last few months.
Exactly. Yes, you know? So why don't everybody have a seat, make yourself comfortable. Oh, let me introduce you to my son. This is Natalie, Nana, a co-food. He has taken the stool from his father. My father. My Kingman transitioned 9 years ago. So Shabazz has taken over his position as the warrior chief for our village. He is originally king from our village. What?
Well, we always hear chief, but in Africa we don't have chiefs. We have kings and queens. Chief is a European expression. We're all kings and queens here. This is a magical time. This is a real magical time. And we know what you have gone through to get here. We know that the ambassadors, the ancestors, the Most High God, Almighty Goddess have escorted you here. We know that you are spiritual sojourners, soldiering and connecting to your ancestors and to your spirit. And that's why you have come to this place called One Africa. Our brother here, our son, who I'm calling my son, my brother, your son, you got 2 sons in the land now. And the rest of us, we are all, everybody here, you're home. This is what he calls it, the tour for Africa for Africans. So feel like you at home, you house owners. We're not going to do a whole lot of talk. Not a whole lot of orientation, but there are some things you should know. My mom's is going to lead the way. She's our queen mother. And the group will continue to entertain us while we're doing what we do. Feel free, feel home, ask any questions, take all the pictures, go anywhere you want to go. You are in the center of the earth. We're going to talk more about that.